What's up, my Puggios? Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to go over this really sleek, unique tempered glass screen protector here for your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This is the UltraGlass Unbreakable screen protector here with a nice oleophobic coating to resist dust, scratches, and water. It's made out of durable 9H hardness glass that's going to give you a crystal clear look through your phone, still allowing you to be able to unlock with your face or your fingerprint. And the best part is being able to place a phone case in there with this precision installation that's so easy to do. In the box, it comes with an extra tempered glass screen to allow you to have that future proofing. With that said, before we jump into it here, I have to let you know that UltraGlass did provide this to me complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it helps the channel. Let's unbox it, demonstrate it, and show you what you're getting yourself into. Unboxing is pretty straightforward here. It's got a very sleek applicator here that's very easy to install, and it comes with an extra piece of glass, which is what I appreciate here. It's already set up and ready for you to install it. Included is an extra screen protector here on the inside that you can use. And then they also have to punch out here this little squeegee if needed. Let's go ahead and prep the phone. They've got a microbial wipe as well as stickers if you want to use that for pesky dust. Let's go ahead and hit the screen here with the antimicrobial wipe to get any residue or oils off. Then we can hit it with the microfiber cloth, and then you can use the stickers if you want here if there's any pesky specks of dust. Let's go ahead and place the unit here right on top. The front facing camera is going to be on the top there, obviously, where the top is denoted. You're going to go ahead and hold it tight here to pull off the bottom layer. It's going to peel it off. Then you're going to want to massage it here into place as it goes across the screen itself. Give it some time, wait a few seconds, and then you'll need to re-add your fingerprint once you're done. You're gonna wanna keep the applicator future-proofing, and then if needed here, you've got this little squeegee to be able to press it into place as it rests and adheres to your phone. Super easy. Very pleased with that application process. You can see how clean it is. Very repeatable and concise. That's what I really like. This tempered glass screen protector is going to give you a nice oleophobic coating that's going to have that resistance to scratches, dust, and water. You can see how easy that is, yet very concise here to be able to attach to your phone. And then you can place your phone case back on there with no worry here that your case will bubble at all the screen. I really like that. Super durable. Once you've re-added your fingerprint, you can get into there very easily, and you still have full functionality of the S Pen, allowing you here to continue doodling, drawing, making content, etc. With that said, very pleased with the outcome of the UltraGlass here. It does a great job giving you that protection. It's nice and rigid. It's going to be crystal clear. It still allows for your fingerprint and your face unlock, and it also allows you to have your case on here as well. With that said, the folks at UltraGlass did provide this to me complimentary and sponsor this video. Check down below in the links in the description for the product pricing and availability. With that said, thanks so much for watching. Andy with Tech Influence. Hit that like button if you want to. Subscribe if you want to see more. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.